The pros and cons of glass walls. What you need to know. Adding glass walls to your home is a great way to dramatically enhance its aesthetics and increase natural light. These walls offer numerous other benefits, like improving views, creating a sense of openness, and boosting property value. Benefits of glass walls. One of the most notable benefits of glass walls is how much natural light they bring into a space. A lot of homeowners use them to provide unobstructed flow between rooms. They work perfectly for homes with open floor plans. Glass walls also work well for providing great views of the outdoors. If you're looking for a way to create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, glass walls are an ideal solution. Drawbacks of glass walls. Having a glass wall in a private area, such as a bedroom or bathroom, can be a major worry for those who value their privacy. While frosted glass does provide some seclusion, it may not be enough in every circumstance. Another issue is that glass walls don't usually have the same level of insulation as regular walls. This means heat can easily leave in the winter and enter in the summer. Bigger installations may require professional cleaning to keep them looking perfect, which can be time-consuming and expensive. When to choose glass walls. Ideal for office spaces. They facilitate communication between teams while creating physical barriers between different work zones. Perfect for open-concept homes. Their ability to keep the space feeling open without reducing light makes them ideal for places where privacy is less of an issue, such as dining rooms or living rooms. Long-term investment with quality. They are perfect for homes and businesses alike that want to combine form and function in an open, modern way, while allowing for some privacy when needed. If you need help deciding whether to add glass walls to your property, contact Raben Glass today. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.